Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I'm showing how to make hanging lanterns with waste plastic box.
When you take away the food from a restaurant, you get these kind of plastic containers. Do not throw it away. You can use it to make some lanterns as shown in this video. You can take any brand air dry clay. Apply Fevicol or white glue on the corners of the container. Take some air dry clay and then flatten it and then stick it as shown. This is a key ring which I had, so I'm using it. If you don't have this, you can take a newspaper, roll it and then use it as well. Next, I'm taking some beach sand. I'm just pressing it on top of the clay. If it does not stick, you can use some Fevicol. Next, take glue gun and then design it as per your choice. Design on all the four sides. Color the sand portion with black acrylic paint. This is Fevicol acrylic gold powder. With the help of your fingertips, just tap on it. Take different color glass colors and then apply it as shown. battery operated light on the lid portion of the container. This is how it looks after you complete it. You can hang this. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel.